See, today I'll be sending you all a test paper. I'll give you all banking and no, which chapter is this? Matrix. Matrix. Whatever we did from beginning, do you all remember all the concept? That one and simple linear equation, not simple, which is that inequation, linear inequation, and probability. So matrix don't need revision, right? All those are easy, right? Easy to solve. So no need revision for matrix students. Evening I'll send you all the test paper. Try to do that. Yeah. Good morning, Lima. Were you there yesterday evening class? And Dia, Delisha, what about banking chapter? Are you all thorough in banking? Dia, Delisha. Respond. Why these students are not responding? Is Cecil online? Can you see the screen? Okay, start solving, students. Yes, look at D. Yesterday I told you all to D. There are chances of asking such question. What's the rule I told for multiplication? Which word I told you all to remember? All of you will respond. Which word did I tell you all to remember, students? Yes, CR. For addition, subtraction, multiplication, addition. What is this? No, not RC. CR. See, if you take RC, it is wrong, Ruth. Row is not equal to column. Column is equal to row. I even gave an example, students. First letter C is the first alphabet in alphabetical order. C comes first, column. So based on that, we'll solve this D question. Look at D. 5 minus 2, 7, 0. Okay, and they'll give you an equation for matrix for B, 8 and 3. Then, which of the following is not possible is the question. Not possible in the sense, apply CR rule. They have asked you to find 4 questions. A square B, BA, AB and 15A. These are the 4 questions. Okay, let me take the first question. All of you will solve the first one. What is a square, students? How many times a is multiplied? Twice. Okay, all try this. Multiply a twice. Put multiplication sign. Row 1, see this is the formula. Row 1, take first row, multiply with both the column. R1, C2. Take the second row, multiply with both the column. Complete this. I'll teach you all what is AB and BA. Okay, Mebli, can you answer this? How will you multiply? 5 into 5 next. Plus in bracket. Minus 2 into 7. Then first row, keep it as it is. Take the second column. Take first element. Yes, tell me. First element 5 into, then plus. Yes, second element. Second element is minus 2 and into 0. It's minus 2 into 0. First row is done. Tell me the second row, first column. 7 into 5. 1. First element, then 0 into next. No, no. How come 5 into 7? Second row as it is, second column. See this formula. Can you see R2C2? See, just follow this, students. You don't have to memorize. What is R2C2 meaning? Row 2 from the first one and column 2, right? This is the formula what I've written. Yeah, tell me row 2 column, which is the first element? 7 into. How come minus 2 into 0? Row 2 second column, which is the second element? No, see, 7 and which one is done? 7 and minus 2 is gone. So what is left? 0 into 0, right? You are telling minus 2 and 0. Second element, maybe. Look at second element. 0 into 0. Practice multiplication of matrix, students. Definitely you'll get one question. No doubt in board exam you're going to get matrix multiplication. So don't waste your time solving too much of addition subtraction question. Add and subtract, use plus into minus rule, multiplication. Make a note of this formula R1 C1 R2 C2. Based on that you'll consult. Yeah, tell me, Amy. Oh yeah, 5 into 5. What have I written? 5 into 5. First 5 into 5. Okay, be careful while writing. See, sometimes even I make mistake because it gets confused. First row, first column. I've written the formula top. R1C1, R2C2. If you memorize that formula, that is enough. You practice two questions, you'll be able to solve. Okay, minus 11, 10, 35, and minus. What about others completed? Cecilia, Malavika, Island. I write the next step, students. So 5 5 is 25 plus minus 2 into 7. Minus 2 into 7 is minus 14. Don't miss out the sign. It should be minus 14. Whoever has done multiply A into B. Try A into B and 15A. BA I'll explain. I'll explain BA. Complete AB and 15A. Multiply 15 into A. Try A and B. If you're not getting, try 15A. Last one. I'll teach the other two. What's the answer, students? Completed? Done? Yes, all of you will respond. How many questions have you completed? Got the first one right, all of you? 11 minus 10, 35, 14. Okay, I'll do the next one. Look at the screen. See, I've told you all in the beginning, 10th vast portions are too much. If you're wasting time not responding, you won't be able to complete it. Look at the next one, A and B. So you take any question, first apply the CR concept. What is CR? Let me take A, 5, write question 2. Write AB, which means multiplication. They are together, it is multiplication. 5 minus 2, 70 multiplied by 8 and 3. So apply this rule for everything. CR, column. From the first matrix, number of column. How many columns are there? Total how many columns? 2 columns. It should be equal to number of rows. How many rows are there? 2 rows. So it satisfies the condition, you can multiply it. Simple, just write. If they ask you a statement, you can write the same thing. Whatever I'm telling you in words, whatever I'm explaining, just convert into words. You can write number of column in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. No, it is not required. Only if they mention, if they ask that. Did they mention ask anything? See, they won't ask whether it is, which of the following is not possible, students, not possible. Only then you have to write, is this possible? Is this possible to multiply? So they'll give you two matrix and they'll ask whether AB is possible. Is possible. So isn't it kind of question? They're asking you a question. Yes. Is AB possible? Is AB possible? AB possible in the sense multiplying AB is possible or not? That's the question. Is AB possible? Then you write the statement. Number of column, if both are equal, yes, AB is possible. A into B is possible. Then you can show the calculation. For board exam, very rare, but just remember, I'll tell you the difference between AB and the next one, BA. BA is not possible. I'll explain that later. First, this is possible, so multiply the students. And when will you write this statement? If I ask 7 plus 8 minus 6, if I ask you a question, is this possible to solve? Is it possible to solve? Yes. So first you'll give the answer. Yes, it is possible. Only then later you'll start solving it. Okay. So first you write the statement, then you can solve the students. For that statement, we need C into R concept. C is equal to R. Okay, I'll tell you how to multiply this. Look here. There's no specific formula. Just open the bracket. Take the first row, not the first column, first row. From the first matrix, take the first row and multiply with the first column. See these two. All of you will respond. What do you will get? 5 into, what's the first element? 5 into 8 plus. Second element is minus 2 into 3. That is done. Now move on to the second row. Do we have any second column? No, right? No second column. First row is done. Go with the second row. Select this. A plus B into C. So you take the first one, multiply with this. Then take the next one, multiply with the second one. Same concept. Take the second row, multiply with the first column. 7 into 8 plus 0 into 3. What's the answer? 8 5s are 40 plus minus 6. 8 7s are 56 plus 0. Whoever has textbook with you all can check the answer. Once we are done, can check, student. Check and let me know. 40 plus into minus is minus 6. What's the answer? 34 by 56.
Yeah, just check the correct. Okay.
Just keep a bookmark, students. Keep a pen or pencil in the answer column, a page. As we solve, just check. AB is possible. Next one. BA is given, 15A is given. First complete this. Go through what I've written. Okay, Lima completed. Mebli Lima, Delicia, done. Next one. What about BA students? See, copy BA. They've asked, is it possible? So first, next one is third question BA. Now, whichever matrix they've given, write that matrix first. 8 and 3 should be written first. Beside that, A matrix. A matrix is 5 minus 2, 7, 0. The rule I told you all, C should be equal to R. How many rows are there? How many columns are there? In the first matrix, there's only one column. How many rows are there? Two rows. Are they equal? No. So rows should be seen horizontal way. See, this is column, student. Sorry, column should be in horizontal. You should look like this. Row should be seen in the, sorry, column should be seen in vertical. We call this as vertical manner. Row is seen in the horizontal manner, horizontal direction. So in the first one, there's only one line like this, one column. In the second matrix, there are two rows, two flat lines, so they're not equal. That's the statement you have to write. Number of rows, column in the first matrix is not equal to number of rows in the second matrix. If it is not equal, you can't multiply that. Just leave the question as it is. I'll tell you why you can't multiply. I'll show that. Okay, I'll write the statement, students. I'll just write the sign here. C is not equal to R. Just write that in words. See, you take the first row. One more thing, we always give preference for row into column. Row and column. For multiplication, to check whether we can multiply or not, we use CR. But actual calculation, we give R value first. R into C. So take the first row, first column. Can you see 8 as a pair? 8 into 5. Does 7 have a pair here to multiply? No, that's the reason it is not possible. Okay, 8 will have a pair, 7 doesn't have a pair. 7 element is missing. Okay, in the same way, if I take the first column, first row, second column, 8 and minus 2 elements are there. But for 0, there is no element. For 0, there is no element missing. The answer is just leave it as it is. Just write the statement. Column is not equal to row. That's the answer. Fourth question. 15A students. Next question, 15A. Along with matrix A, just multiply 15. Take 15, multiply with all the elements. Take matrix A. What's the answer you all got? All of you will respond. 75. Next, 15 into 7 is 105. This is addition. Sorry, multiplication. Multiplication of a unit. 15 is not the entire matrix, just one single unit. Or sometimes they'll ask you division along with this. Division is they'll ask you 1 by 15A or A divided by 15. This is how they'll ask you questions. So A divided by 15, take 15 minus 270 students. Divided by 15 is not like this. Okay, don't divide it like this. Each and every element should be divided. That's the meaning. You don't divide it by 15 like this. Take by 15 minus, what's the question? Minus 2 divided by 15. Take 7 divide by 15. 0 divided by 15. Okay, reduce everything. Normal division, reduce it, you'll get the answer. We'll try the next one. Yes, 3 marks. No, no, 4 marks. There are 4 sub questions, right? 4 marks rule. This entire question was multiplication, students. They don't give multiplication. See, they give questions like this. This is board exam question. Can you see the next one? E example, E question. This is proper board exam question. There is addition, multiplication here. Can you see there is addition and subtraction? All of you will try this. Yes, try this. Definitely you'll get questions like this. Second main, they won't give you. Second main, 10th main kind of questions are important. 10th main, 11th main, identity matrix. Okay, try the E question. And is there any missing alphabet here? X. Have they told us to find X, Y, anything? No, right? They've just given equation, student. Just substitute, you'll get the answer. If X is given, solve the equation. 1011 0110 1100 a square 2b minus 3c. See, even this one I'll tell you all. Do it step by step. What's the first one given? A square, right? First solve a square, students. Complete a square. Then take 2b. Solve for 2b. Below that, take 3c. Don't try to do it in one single line. Don't take all the matrix and try to do it in one single line. You'll definitely go wrong. Complete one by one. Later you add and subtract it. Okay, what's the answer? All of you completed? Response students. What do you think? 1001. Okay. What do you multiply? The first row, first column, right? 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1. Next, first row, second column. Take first row, second column. 1 into 0 and 0 into 1. All of you have written this. Next one. Second row, first column. What is second row, first column? So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Tell me the next one. Second row, second column. 1 into 0 and plus, not and. Plus 1 into. Everything was positive. If it is negative, just write it, students. Calculate. This you get 1 plus 0. What's the answer? 1. And here it 0. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. Very good. Here 0 plus 1 is how much? 0 plus 1. 1. It's 1. 1 into 0, 1 plus 1. Yes. This is the matrix. Next. This is simple. Just multiply 2 inside. 0, 2, 2, 0. And even this one. 3, 3. What do you get? 3, 3, 0, 0. First complete all this. Take the main question, students. Then you can arrange it in order. A square plus 2b minus 3c. Take A square matrix. We got 1, 0, 2, 1 plus 0, 2, 2, 0 minus 3, 0, 0. Then complete it in one single step. Take this main matrix. Take all the first element along with the sign. What are the first element? I'll just circle it. These values. 1 plus 0 minus 3. Next, what do you have? 0 plus 2 minus 3. 2 plus 2 minus 0. 1 plus 0 minus 0. Is this clear? Did you understand? Okay. Most of the multiplication, that is also fine. That is also fine. Addition, subtraction, you can do it in one single step, right? Ruth? Yeah, you can do it in one single step, students. Addition, subtraction. If you want, you do it separately or even one step is fine. What's the final answer you all got? 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then we get 4. 1 is the answer. Minus 2, 4, minus 1 and 1. Which option? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 4 and 1. Is it first one? Is the answer correct? Yeah, first one. This is not MCQ, students. They have given it MCQ. This is 3 marks question. They'll give you like this 3 marks question. Okay, go through what we have done. Go through this calculation. That's it. Most of the parts are done. Now there are different types of matrix. Element unit matrix I explained. Just a minute. So you'll have question related to unit matrix and all those things. Is Shasha online? Yeah, Shasha, no class, Shasha. I sent you a message in the group. You didn't check? Okay, no class. Okay. I'll send you revised compound interest. I'll send you the test paper. You can attend from Monday. When I sent it morning itself, you can leave. Attend on Monday. One into one. What was the answer we got here? Was it 1020? 1021 students. 21. Okay, I'll minimize. Check the answer. All of you completed. Shall we move on to the next one? Next question. Okay, matrix M students. Now we have to assume a value and solve. I'll teach you those type of question. It is not given, I think. See, other things you try. I'll just mark here. You can try these questions. Or don't waste your time. You'll definitely get easy question in this matrix. And we still have time. So you'll practice constantly. You have to keep practicing trigonometry, heights and distance students. Heights and distance. What else chapters are tough? You'll felt. What about GST, banking, linear inequation, banking, trigonometry. So keep revising trigonometry. You'll have the notes, right? Notes, trigonometry. Okay. Banking, which one, Ruth? You know how to find interest in or time. From Monday onwards, I'll be taking another batch 8 to 9. If you want, you can join. This is for everyone, students. Whoever wants can join. Okay, but yes, 7 to 8 will be a normal class. From 8 to 9, I've started banking for other batch. In banking, the what are the formulas we studied? All of you will tell me the formula. I'll just tell you what I'm going to teach. Interest is equal to what? P into N into divided by 2 into 12. This is interest and we have maturity value. P into N plus I. So what are the different alphabets we have? We have question based on interest. Then we have different variable P. We'll have question based on that. We just shuffle the values and find the answer N. N is the most important and toughest part, time period. Then N in P, okay, fine. So yesterday I started the basic class students. For other students, I started how to find interest and maturity value. So today I'll be teaching them principle. How to find principle. Today there's one more class. And from Monday I'll be teaching how to find rate and time. So whoever wants can join. 8 to 9 banking is going on, banking class. Okay. Then for the same batch I'll be starting trigonometry. Mostly after that. Next week I'll be starting trigonometry. Whoever has doubts in trigonometry, if you want, you can join from 8 to 9. Is it clear? Okay. So interest 8 to 9, and today I'll be teaching how to find principal and rate. So those who still have doubts, principal and rate. What time did I tell Mebli and Lima? Yesterday, what time did I tell you? 4 o'clock. 4 to 5 students. Okay, so those who want can join today 4 to 5. What about Delicia? Are you thorough with it? Delicia, Dia? Respond. Both of you will unmute the call. Delicia, Dia, banking. See, hardly 1 hour students. Today is Saturday, just because you want to enjoy, you tell us. Later you shouldn't struggle. If you want, you can attend 4 to 5. Okay, then later I can't teach. After 1 or 2 months, you'll ask me to teach again. We won't have time. Fine. Yeah, there are around 8 tough chapters. Next, I'll be starting circle. Circle is tough. Tangent. Around 7 or 8 tough chapters are left. Fine. Back to this question. Make a note. Today, 4 o'clock. 4 to 5, I'll be conducting banking. How to find principal. Principal and rate. Fine. In this one, if possible, same rule. See, if possible, if not possible, give a reason. What's the rule we use? If possible for, or if not, C should be equal to R. Okay. So all of you just read and tell me, student. Look at the first question. How many columns are given? How many columns in the first one? 2 columns. How many rows are given? Is it possible to multiply? Yes, you can multiply. See, first row, first column. Take 3 to 2, 0. We already have first row, first column. 3 into 2. It's a simple question. Multiply 3 into 2 plus the other one is 2 into 0. So it is possible. Tell me the second one. How many columns are there? 2 columns. And how many rows? 2 rows. So practice all these, students. Practice these kind of questions. It is possible, and try to multiply that. Okay, I'll just show you how to multiply. Second means second question. This is from Selena textbook. 1 minus 2 is the question. Minus 2, 3, minus 1 and 4. See, we always give preference for row first while multiplying. This is first row. Multiply with first column. 1 into minus 2. Yes, tell me 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1. How many columns do we have? Next one, how many columns do we have? 2 columns, right? So row 1, column 1 is done, students. Row 1, column 1 is done. Do we have second row here? All of you will respond. Do we have second row? How come second row? We have only first row, right? So your entire answer should be in the first row, students. Don't write below. Okay, if we have first row, the entire answer should be in first row. Take first row, second column. Next, 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4. So we don't have second row. Your answer also shouldn't be in row 2. So some students will do this and write this one below. This is wrong. If you write it below, it becomes row 2. See, this becomes row 2. That is wrong. So this is how you solve it. Minus 2 plus 0. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Yes, Amy, can you just check the answer? Second means second one. Correct? Will you try the second main, third one and fourth one, students? With reason, will you check? Will you try? All of you will respond. Homework, time up. Yeah, today's class is done. Next, look at third main. If you want to try the third main, I is given. I is what matrix? What you have to take for I? 1, 0, 0, 1. Then fourth one, a square, same question. It is repeated. Let me see here. Seventh one is also, look, this is what we solved, similar to this. It is repeated, just skip that. M. This question is important, M. We'll do it on Monday. Okay, we'll continue on Monday. So today I'll send you all the test paper, basic multiplication, whatever we did. Along with that, I'll give you entire addition, subtraction questions. I'll share you all the I'll show you all the previous year questions. Okay, all of you all got the questions? Just check in the group, students. Mebli and Lima, did you all get? We'll start this on Monday. We'll try. Or if you want, you can start solving, students. Look at the question 2024. See, MCQ is always easy. They've given you two matrix, right? Look at MCQ first main first question 2024. 25 and 26, we'll do it later. A square is given, A is given. Then find the value of X. This is how you'll get question. Look at 3-marker question. Can you all see 3 marks question? So try this, students. See, these are board exam question. 3 marks, A into B plus C minus 14I. How do you solve this question? First, which two we have to add, students? All of you respond according to board mark. Bracket. First, you have to add B plus C. Once you add B plus C, what you have to multiply? You'll get an answer. That multiply with which one? A. So take A plus B plus C, multiply both the matrix, A matrix, B plus C. Use board mass concept. Then after that, multiply 14 into I value they have given. If it is not given, I have told you what to take. 1001. So 2023, they have given such question. You can try 2023, 2020, all these questions. Fine. Today evening, I'll send you all the paper. One more class, banking, I'm going to start at 4 o'clock. Those who want can join. Okay. Mebli Lima, compulsory, you'll have to join the class. Okay, that's it for today. You all can leave, students. Next class on Monday. Okay. Welcome.